On February 1st, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman presented her 9th consecutive comprehensive financial budget for 2026. Every year, while presenting the budget, she has worn a different sarees. 9 budgets, 9 sarees, one powerful story. Every union budget, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman's saree choice speak as loudly as her budget speech. Year after year, she deliberately chooses handwoven Indian sarees to honor the country's deep-rooted textile tradition and the skilled artisans behind them. From the elegance of Kanjivaram silk to the storytelling themes of Madhubani art, from intricate Kasuti embroidery to timeless ikat weavers, her attire reflects India's cultural diversity. In a subtle yet meaningful way, these sarees turn Budget Day into more than just an economic announcement. They become a celebration of India's heritage, craftsmanship and self-reliance. In the first year, 2019, she wore a simple pink Mangalgiri saree with a golden border reflects the culture and handloom tradition of Andhra Pradesh. In the year 2020, she wore a Kanjivaram silk saree, a tradition handloom from Tamil Nadu, symbolizing prosperity, positivity and confidence. In the year 2021, she wore a red and half-white Pochampally silk saree with ikat pattern and a green border which represents Telangana, a globally recognized handloom tradition known for its intricate dyeing technique and geometric patterns. In the year 2022, she wore a brown bomkai saree with an half-white border highlighting the exquisite handloom tradition of Odisha. In the year 2023, she wore a striking red and black temple border saree decorated with Kasuti threadwork celebrating the rich handloom heritage of Karnataka. In the year 2024, she wore a blue tussar silk saree with intricate kanta handwork beautifully showcasing the folk craftsmanship of West Bengal. In the year 2024, she wore white silk saree with purple and golden border. In the year 2025, she wore an half-white handloom silk saree adorned with fish-themed embroidery celebrating the vibrant Madhubani art tradition of Bihar. In the year 2026, she wore a Kattam Kanjivaram silk saree with golden brown checks and a coffee brown border honoring Tamil Nadu's weaving legacy. From the year 2019 to till now, 2026, each saree tells a story of the India's artisans, its rich heritage and timeless elegance woven into every thread. Thanks for watching. For more updates, watch Salar, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.